All right, welcome everyone to the on time on target play of the day. We have four screens in front of you. On the far left is the SPY, that's the S&P 500 on a 1 minute chart. We have two longs, Sorrento, middle left, and VLDR, middle right. And then we have a short in Fireeye, which Fireeye was the one that got hacked. There's our opening bell. Fireeye was the one that got hacked. So let's think about taking that pretty quick here. Once it hits 13.9 is where I'm going to take it. Actually, let's go 14, take it at 14 with a 30-cent stop, a little bigger stop than I wanted. Okay, we're going to chase this up 14.10 with a 20-cent stop. There, I took it. So 14.10 is your entry point, 20 cents is your stop up here at 14.30. So I need to pause and make sure I have that stop in. Okay, the stop is in. So as far as our first R is going to be down here at 13.9. Next R is at 13.7. And then our exit point's down here at 13.5. So be ready to go on that. All right, very happy with that trade. To get that pencil out of here. Get this zoomed in so you can see where we are, so you don't miss the exit point. You need to zoom out a little bit because of where we have everything drawn. Okay. Hey everybody, just wanted to, it's actually the next morning and I wanted to close out this trade. So as a refresher, we took Fireeye short here at 14.10. When we checked offline, we were down somewhere around that 1R point, so we're up in the trade. And then basically, as a reminder, I said, set it and forget it. So when you think of these trades, this is how it actually panned out, excuse me. We ended up making that 3R that we're waiting for. So when you leave a trade, you kind of have three options. You can just kill it where it is, or you can tighten it up to where your upper stop is here, wherever you took it, so you can't lose money in it. Or you just leave these simple bounds in there already. I like to take the high of the day. As which was here at 14.24, we put a little cushion, 6 cents there up to 14.30. So basically the stock throughout this 4.5 hour period here would have to climb to the high, bust through the high of the day, which is just really unlikely. But notice it did back up. So if you killed it, you were up an R. If you brought your upper stop down to where you bought it, you would have gotten knocked out right there, which would have been painful when you check it later and see it actually went to move on to the 3R point. So that's why I'm a bigger fan of just leaving that upper stop in. So as a review, so 14.10 is where we took it, 13.9 is one stop, 13.7 is the second R unit, and then down to 13.5. So if you have your stuff set up like I did, you wake up and you automatically you're back out of the trade. You can check it at the end of the day, right before close. I did not yesterday. I checked on my phone, so I didn't come back and record this yesterday. But anyhow, perfect trade, nice 3R trade to get us started. So with that, see you guys next time. Bye.